Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Sorry, wrong button. Look at this. Can you believe it? My portfolio is again breaking ground again today. It's just really, really exciting to watch this. Breaking records every day, way ahead of Warren Buffett, way ahead of the markets. It's incredible. Look at this. You ready for the full breakdown? Some big numbers. Look at that. And there's the balance. 65,000. We broke 63,000 yesterday, 64 this morning, 65 now, 65.5. This is, I've now got, for the very first time, $100,000 of stocks holdings. Can you see that number there for the very first time? Incredible. $100,000 of shares. We've been breaking the records consistently, beating Warren Buffett, consistently beating the markets consistently. And you can see there from the screen, $100,000 worth of stocks. All started from $5,000 2.5 years ago. There it is. My only income is what I earn on YouTube, which for the first year and a half was absolutely zero. I have no other income at all. No one lends me any money. I've got no one's giving me any free money. It's just my money I earn on YouTube. And for a year and a half, I earned nothing. And you can see I've just, for the very first time, now have $100,000 worth of stocks. So how have I consistently beat the market? How have I consistently beat Warren Buffett? Let me share with you my overall portfolio in detail. Let's do it. Okay, here we go. If it's your first time here, consider subscribing and ringing the bell and smash the like button. Well, let's have a look. This is how I've done it. Bitcoin, Doge, and Ethereum. I have on my crypto challenge. I don't have it here on my main brokerage account. We have the crypto challenge with Sensei, which started out at $1,000. That is now up to $2,500. We've more than doubled our money, and we've still got $600 in cash. That's how well our crypto has done. So unlike other YouTubers who are telling you to buy everything and all the rest of it, we've actually been saying don't buy. My average is 15,000 on my Bitcoin. Going down here, you can see my stocks. Virgin Galactic, I'm up 48%. I traded in and out after we lost money at buying at $35, did it over the next couple of years, making some profits, making some losses, deciding to get out, letting the drop come much bigger, got out, waited, patient, bought the bottom and stayed in at the bottom. And I've never sold since we bought the bottom. I'm now up 48%. The S&P, I sold it right at the top. I sold it for 35% up. I'm out. The S&P is too expensive. Amazon, I sold it. You can see I had 47%. I sold it at the top. I'm out. It's too expensive. I'm not in it anymore. You can see I've got nothing there. Apple, also, I made good profits. Got out all of it. It's too expensive. I hold nothing there at the moment. Next Era Energy, this is where we're making the money. Great dividends, massively oversold. We studied the balance sheet. I bought the bottom. Even though I'm down 10%, I was down 80%, but I kept buying the bottom. And so even though I'm down 10%, I was down 80, I'm now down 10. So the growth has been astronomical. Enphase Energy, it's a $300 stock. It went down to 70. I was in at 150. I kept buying and buying and buying at 70. So even though I'm only up 3%, it's because I was in at 150. But you can see I've got 154 shares of Enphase. So I'm up 3% on a stock that's gonna 3x from here. Coca-Cola, I bought Coca-Cola at the bottom. When it got to the bottom, just like Warren Buffett, I went all in at the bottom. Used margin at 8% because my dividends is paying the interest on my margin, which is going to come down because interest rates are going to come down. I'm putting all the money I earn on YouTube in, which is increasing every day because I'm building my channel more and more every day. More and more people subscribing. Everyone's a member. 98% now are members of the channel. So I'm putting every penny I earn. I'm living on nothing. I go nowhere, spend nothing, do nothing. This is my full-time focus. So my dividend payments are covering my interest payments, but the interest rate is going to come down and my margin is coming down because every time I get paid, I put more and more money in. I'm buying nothing. There's no FOMO here. I'm not buying a single stock. Nothing. I've bought the bottom. I'm not buying on the way up. Coca-Cola, I'm now earning $2,500 a year between Coca-Cola and J&J and my my other dividend stocks. That's covering the interest of 8%, which is coming down, and I'm selling none of it. I bought it all at the bottom. J&J was so low because of litigation. It's now going up. CVX, I bought it at the top. I bought oil before I knew what I was doing. I bought oil at the top. So when it went down significantly, I started to double and double and double when it got to its all-time low. All-time low for me. I was down 60, 70%. I'm now down just 4.9%. Tesla, I bought at the bottom. I bought it around 110 and I lowered my average. I took some profit. I now have the highest amount I've ever had on Tesla. Rivian, I waited and waited and waited to buy Rivian at the bottom. Then I bought $1,000 of it. I'm up 7.5%. McDonald's presented us with a 10% discount. It never does that. You can never overpay for land. And I bought it at the bottom. I'm now up 4.4%. Google, too expensive. I'm out. 78% of the directors, one of the directors for Google's shares were sold. I said it's going to keep going down. It went up after I reported it, but I said, wait, give it patience. Have patience. It will go down. It's too expensive. The balance sheet, it doesn't make sense. It's a great company, too expensive. People just keep buying it all the time. That's not why I buy stocks. I buy stocks that are on sale and that are of value, not because everybody else is buying them. Google, I'm out. I had a 30% profit. Microsoft, I made a profit. I got out of it. Walmart, I got out of it. I made a profit, got out of it. Tesco, too expensive. I got out of it. Robinhood, I've said for a year and a half, nearly 2 years, it's a 4 to 6x. I stand by what I say. I've got a fantastic, let me share with you here. This has just come out, a brand new report here. Let me give you the information here, a price target. The price target has just been raised to a 148% upside. A huge price target here for Robinhood, 148 price target. Absolutely massive, fantastic. I bought it. People kept saying, really silly people who got their faces burned, their hands burned with Roaring Kitty, who got into GameStop, who thought Robinhood were irresponsible and Vlad Tenev is a clown and God knows what else. And they sell their shares. They don't sell their shares. They sell a handful of shares in comparison to what they own. It's going as a 4 to 6x. I bought the bottom. I'm now up 7%. Fantastic. Plug, just down the road from me, we've got the Texas plant, and Plug was oversold. People don't like the CEO. It went down 80%. I went in on margin and I bought it. I've now got 796. Why have I not kept buying? Well, I was down 80%. I'm only down 7. It would misbalance my portfolio if I bought any more. So that's why I'm just down 7 now. Was down 80%. Funware, I'm out of Funware. Kenvue just keeps on printing money, keeps on going up. I bought it in the exchange with J&J. I did 50% of my J&J. It was played down because of the litigation surrounding J&J. I waited and waited and waited until it hit the bottom. I bought at the bottom, doubled up. FFIE, that is purely and simply a moon bag, like a lottery ticket. That's the only reason why I have that. Berkshire Berkshire Hathaway. It just shows you that Berkshire Hathaway, even the greatest stock in the world, with the greatest investor in the world, the Oracle of Omaha, people still bet on that with emotion. Charlie Munger died a couple of days. It's been going down ever since. People sold out because of Charlie Munger. I doubt if he's had much to do with the stock for ages. He was 99 years old. However, people are fearful. They sold it. I bought it. I'm holding it. Now we go into the Roth IRA. The Roth IRA position, I don't have a great deal here, but I am up. If you look at my all-time high, I only started a year and a half ago, and I'm up at 6.6% on my Roth IRA. Let's share with you all of the positions in here. Remember, I use this for tax-free investing, so I don't really want to sell my brokerage. I sell what's here. Virgin Galactic, I'm out of the Roth IRA position because I just keep scalp trading it out of it all the time. PLTR, I made some money, but I'm out of it right now. It's too expensive. Amazon, I made plenty of money with Amazon. I'm out. Too expensive. Apple, the same thing. NEE, I'm not in it on the Roth IRA. Enphase Energy, I don't owe anything. Coca-Cola, yes, I'm up 6% on it. I bought that. J&J, I don't own much here on the Roth IRA. Tesla, the same thing. Not much at all. As you can see, there's not much I really own here. However, primarily it's Coca-Cola. It's 50% off the Roth IRA, and I'm up 6%. I'm never going to sell it. I earn $2,500 a year in dividend payments. So there we go. There is my story. That's how I made $100,000. That's how I have $100,000, $99,920 worth of assets. You can see it there on my portfolio, all from $5,000 2.5 years ago. For the first year and a half, no income at all. My only income is a few dollars a day on YouTube. That is it. You see it every day. You see it's live. So there you go. That's how you go from $5,000 to $100,000, 2.5 years, by simply staying in the market, doing your research, looking for the value of the stocks, and paying no attention at all to anyone who wastes any amount of time on StockWits or Reddit. That is simply being aggressive, simply being ignorant, not studying. And the main reason why I've got $100,000 now worth of assets is because I've learned from you. Those of you that know how to make money, and those of you that know how to lose money on equal measure. Because if I listen to the trolls and I listen to the nonsense, I learn how stocks are trading. I learn what's going up. There's a saying we use in England, and it's keep your friends close and your enemies closer. So all of those trolls, all of those very silly people who try to ruin my business, who try to bring me down, who try to make me feel bad every day, I went through it. I politely replied to all of your comments. I listened to you. And every time that you said false information, the rubbish around Virgin Galactic going bust, the rubbish about Vlad Tenev selling out and stuffing it to all the GameStop gamblers, all of that, I weighed all that up, looked at what was going on Reddit, seeing the sentiment that was going around, and I did the very opposite of what you were talking about, because you were talking rubbish. So that's how you take a YouTube channel from 0 subscribers to 12,000 in 2.5 years, with a trajectory of 100,000 in another 2 years and 1 million subscribers within 4 years. How you take $5,000 to $100,000 worth of assets with no income whatsoever for the first year and a half. I've only earned money for a year. I want to thank everyone that's been with me. I want to thank all the members, all the followers, everyone that's given me 100%. And I also want to thank all the negativity and all the trolls, because you give me the strength to drive me on to be a better person in myself. So there we go. If you've not been here before, please click subscribe and ring the bell. Become one of our family and tap the like button. As always, until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. Okay. There we go. That video will go out later as its own video. I wanted to put that statement out the moment that we hit $100,000 worth of assets. That's what my shares are worth today. Right, let me read all of these comments. I missed a few. Hi, family, 65,000. Nice, Martyn. Thank you very much indeed. Hello, Mike. Happy Friday. Congratulations, Zach. You missed a fantastic Friday phone-in, the best ever. We had 4 people in. We've got a much better way of doing it. Please watch it back. Martyn, your portfolio increases daily, $1,000. Whoa. Congratulations, Martyn. Thank you, Stephen Lewandowski. Congratulations. Congratulations, Martyn. Thank you, R3A. Hey there, everyone. Congratulations, Mike. Congratulations, Dominic Webb. I appreciate it. Awesome job, Martyn. Closing in on 600,000 here. Fantastic. Go to my YouTube channel and watch my first short video. Mike, have you created a short video live? Have you actually done that? What is that, Mike? Is he being serious? Congratulations, Martyn. Congratulations, Nufo. When's the party at your house? Said Tio Roll. Congratulations, Martyn Lucas Investor. I am an all-time high at just over 143,000 portfolio. Whoop-de-whoop. I love it. Congratulations, MSK. Whoa. Today has been epic, right? Yes, it has. It's been epic today because you've bought the right stocks. You've not followed the leader. You've not been following the clowns that tell you that what is rubbish and what is not is not. Very, very important. You've not been buying Google. Google's too expensive. Hopefully you've not been buying Amazon. Too expensive. It's only up 0.5% today. Apple. Amazon, the same thing. Look, it's up 0.5%. It pales into significance compared to Plug Power, which was oversold, which is up 9%. Virgin Galactic, which is up 4%. J&J, even J&J, a very solid dividend stock, even that is up 2% because it was oversold. Very, very simple. EYTP is my lottery ticket. You always have a bit of a lottery ticket. I commented, Mike, on your YouTube channel. Me too, Mike. He's being serious. I got to go and check this out. My mate is about to finally buy Virgin Galactic. I tell everyone about Virgin Galactic. I mean everyone. Okay. It's starting to short squeeze now. It is starting to short squeeze now. Congratulations, mate. Niels, thank you. Thank you very much. Everything that's expensive are the biggest winners. Let your winners win. Great week for Plug. It is 65,000. Martyn Lucas, all-time high. Absolute winner. Thank you, Pokescrow. Wow, congratulations, Martyn. I'm still amazed by your Rivian call. Not really. Let me explain why I bought Rivian when I bought Rivian, because I looked at the numbers. The numbers told me everything I needed to know. It was at the bottom. It was the time to buy it, so I bought it. It's not about emotion or following the leader. It's just doing the homework, just reading the numbers. James says, outstanding call on Rivian. Thank you very much indeed. It wasn't really anything clever though, mate. It was just the numbers. I didn't guess. I didn't do anything clever, just looked at the numbers. I am both lose and make, says Stephen Lewandowski. Congratulations, Robert Blaurock. Amazing. Congratulations, says Cherry. What is cheap right now and left to buy? Nothing. Nothing. Nothing, nothing, nothing. Don't get excited. Don't get FOMO. Don't buy anything. Look at this. The fear index. The fear index is now in extreme greed. Look, greed. It's just about on the edge of extreme greed. Do not buy anything. If you buy anything now, the only people you are helping is those who are already in, like me. And let me explain why. The rich get richer and the poor get poorer. Someone asked me that the other day. And the reason and they said, what do you mean by that? When if we all buy and everything goes up, we all get rich. Let me explain why. The rich, and I'm not rich, I'm just trying to behave like a rich person, right? I studied the stock and waited and waited and waited. I made mistakes when I first come in. I bought the top of the market. You saw what happened. So I got out of the market, cleared my margin, and waited for it to go down. Once it went down and I knew that interest rates had peaked and the rates were going to start coming down, I started buying. And I started buying as much as I could. And the reason for this is, on the very last earnings call, Robinhood told you everything you needed to know. They said, nobody is investing now. They are all just using the cash. They are not using margin. They are not investing. They are just saving their cash with the uninvested cash. All right, that's what they're doing. To me, that is the buy sign. It's the hardest time to buy because it's the highest interest rate on margin, but it's the right time to buy because nobody else is buying. I buy when they're selling and I sell when they're buying. It's really simple. So we know where the economy is going. So what you do is you don't wait until it pumps and then buy it. You buy it because you know what comes next. It's why I've always said repeatedly, dig the ditches when everybody else is saying, no, we're in the desert, there's no rain. You dig the ditches. You prepare for what is coming. That is the very definition of investing. The very definition of investing is buy a field, plow the field, dig the field, plant the trees, water them, and wait. Not do it when everybody else is doing it. Doing it when nobody else is doing it. That's what I did. So I was paying the premium, but I knew that it would come good in the end. Now we're starting. We're only just starting. I'm not getting carried away saying this is it now. Everything's just going to keep going and going and going, because it isn't. It isn't. There's going to be some trimming off and selling off, but it doesn't bother me. I don't care. It can go down 30% and it makes no difference to me whatsoever. So the poor get poorer and the rich get richer because of this mentality. The rich bought at the bottom and they went all in at the bottom, knowing things are going to be better. The poor, they're afraid, they're scared, they wait, they buy when it starts going up. And then when the rich people start selling it, the poor man is holding the bag. Yet again, the poor man gets poorer, the rich man gets richer. Simple as that. So don't buy anything now. I know you want me to say, go out and buy and grow your portfolio, but no, because everything now is overbought. Not everything. Let me clarify that a minute. Virgin Galactic is not overbought. It's going to $5, $6, $10, $20, $100. 100%. 100%. So is it too late to buy it at $230? No. You can buy it. This is okay at $234. This is okay. But it would have been a lot better at the bottom with me at $157. That's when you should have bought it. That's why I bought it. I'm not buying it now. I can afford to ride this to $100 now. However, $234 is still good because the upside is great enough. So fine, carry on. Buy Virgin Galactic. You just should have bought it at $150. Palantir, too expensive. Do not buy that. Don't buy that. That's overvalued. Gold is too much. There's better things to buy than gold. The S&P is overvalued because when and it will Google and Apple and Amazon, the tech stocks come down, which is the biggest part of the S&P is going to come down. I want to buy $20,000 of the S&P when it comes down, which it will. And I don't mind waiting for a year. I don't mind waiting. Amazon, I don't mind waiting. There's other things I can buy. Amazon, don't buy Amazon now. It's too expensive. The bigger you are, the harder you fall. You don't want to be the guy paying the all-time high for Amazon. You certainly don't want to be paying the all-time highs for Apple, right? What's the sense of that? Next year energy. This is still undervalued. This is worth buying. How do I know that? Because I'm still 10% under out of the money. I bought it at a lot less than this. I bought it like at 45 or whatever it was, way lower, but I had it way higher. So it's still a good price here. The dividends alone will pay for that. That's still a good buy. Enphase Energy, it was much better at 70, but it's going to 300. That is still a great buy at 105. And the reason is we've got 2 quarters to go before the benefits coming. It's accelerating all the time. This is accelerating all the time, but there's no assurance here. There's no dividend. There's no guarantee here, but it's worth $300. It will go up in 2 quarters. Mark my words. Still worth buying. Coca-Cola, still worth buying. But it's becoming inexpensive. I'm putting it around the $65, $70. So there's still upside, but it's expensive. Some people have said $160 for this stock. I think that's ridiculous. That's very influenced analysts who are paid to say that, I think. That's ridiculous. Doesn't make any sense. The whole world's not going to suddenly start drinking Coke rather than tea and coffee, even though they do have tea and coffee in their portfolio. Coca-Cola is good, but now it's becoming expensive again. And when I say expensive, I want a 20, 30% discount. I don't want it for 10% discount. I want to know if the market crashes, I'm still going to make money. So Coca-Cola is now expensive. J&J. J&J is still a buy. Hey, look at this. Ray, I put my hand to my ear because you can put a comment and it will read it out. You didn't have a comment, so it didn't read it out. But Ray Costander, thank you ever so much for your super chat. You know you can become a member, Ray, for less than a super chat, and you will get many, many more perks. In fact, you get 20 times back what you put in. 98% of our live viewers are members, and there are many, many perks, many, many things that you get that is worth 20 times what you put in. It's why everybody is a member. So I have the highest engagement rate of any channel on YouTube, even more than Mr. Beast. I mean, everybody, 98% are members, because I'm here to serve you. It's not about me, it's about you. So J&J is still a buy. J&J is still a buy. Definitely, it can 2x. It was only down because of litigation and the crazy man known as Jim Cramer. Jim Cramer talks absolute drivel. Jim Cramer goes on every day of Mad Money, does all this honking and all this silly sound effects, making very dramatic TV. People love it, shouting Boya all the time and God knows what else and all those silly things that he does. The reality is he talks rubbish. He's a very smart guy. He knows what he's saying. He told everybody to get out of Johnson & Johnson because he sold it on his charitable trust. I don't believe a word of it. I actually think he bought it back at the bottom. I think it's rubbish. Telling everybody to get out. It's now going straight back up again. I think it was the worst advice Jim Cramer has ever given, but it was the best for him. Rubbish for you, the viewer. Johnson & Johnson has still got a potential of doubling within 12 months. So I am very happy to buy it. This is still a good buy. The dividend alone will cover the percentage that you've lost out on. All right. Kenvue, extremely good value. It's the domestic side of J&J. Still worth buying. It was better at 18 when I bought it, but it's still going up. It's got a long way to go. Chevron, I'm not going to comment. I don't know anything about oil. I bought it at the top. I managed to get out of it by buying at the bottom, so I was right on that score. But however, I'm not an expert on Chevron. I don't want to talk about oil. I don't spend any time researching it. I don't know what I'm talking about with oil. Don't want to even say anything. I'm going to be selling it in February when I get when the Hex deal goes through. I've had 2 quarters of dividends. I'll make my profit and I'll get out. No question. I bought it at the bottom, but I'm not an expert on that, and I don't want to say I am. Tesla, the Tesla Cybertruck, well, what can I say? Just dragged along a 911 on a trailer and beat it. It's a bulletproof car. It can power your house, save you 10 grand in a generator. I mean, it's insane. It's incredible. Tesla is an amazing company. It's going to be 5, 6, 8. Pick a number. It's going to completely kill all of the competition. It's phenomenal. I wouldn't buy it here. I'm already in here and I can hold it forever at this price. Still worth buying though. But will it go any lower? I think next quarter's earnings will be rubbish because people are waiting to buy the car in the next quarter. You might get a dip. And if it does dip and it gets a bit lower, if it goes under 190, my original buying was 110. If it goes under 190, I'll double my position. Other than that, I'm not buying anymore. I don't need to. I've got enough. I only want to get $100,000 out of my portfolio profit, and I'm happy with that. Rivian is overbought today. I wouldn't buy Rivian here. I'm up 7.5%. It's not a buy for me anymore. It was a bit of fun. I bought the bottom, but I don't see how it can compete with Tesla. I'm not going to buy anymore. I'm up. It's great. I can get excited, and it might go up in 10 years, but I'm not buying anymore. It's too expensive. McDonald's is definitely a buy. It was better at -10, but it is still a buy. You can't overbuy land, real estate. Google, wait. I think you need to wait for that one. Microsoft, definitely wait. It's worse than Google. Walmart is a buy now. I've been saying for a while it's too expensive. It's a buy now. It's a buy now. I can start buying it now. But it's a little bit it's a little bit heavy, but it's a good stock. It's going to come at a price. It's not cheap. I don't think it's going to be cheap, but I'd buy it. But to be honest with you, I don't need to buy it. And if I look as I'm going through my portfolio, I think I've just reached new highs again. I've now got 100,280 worth of assets. What can I say? The numbers are insane right now. We're just making money like it's what we're printing money in the studio, I think. It's just, brilliant. All from $5,000. I'm answering all your questions. Tio Roll's been answering what's cheap. Tesco's too expensive. Tilray's rubbish. Robinhood is still a buy. 4 to 6x from here, still a buy. We've got the UK imminent. Everyone's signed up with my account. If you've not yet used my account, if you want Robinhood first, if you want to be the first to get Robinhood, I've got a referral here. It doesn't get me any free stocks. I didn't want to wait for that. I gave it to you so you would have the first opportunity to get Robinhood. There is the link in the chat. Let me give it to my kickers as well. Give it to all my audience. Here we go. This is Kick, everybody. Let me give it to Kick. Mike's over there. Hiya, Mike. Mike's one of my moderators. We've got you on... here's the premiere coming out in a minute, by the way. Here's my Rumblers. Let me give everybody on Rumble my my Robinhood referral. I don't get free stocks. It's not about helping me. It's about helping you to get Robinhood first, if you want to be first in the world to get it. And then I will support you because I'm on the list number 1 to get it. There is the X account. Let me give it to everybody on X. Let me also give it to everybody on Facebook. If you want to be the first to get Robinhood, and then what I suggest you do, if you get Robinhood, the first thing you got to do in the UK is buy Robinhood as a stock. That's not financial advice, of course, but it's gonna go through the roof. 70 million people have access to Robinhood. So there's my link for Robinhood over on Facebook. All right. Back to the last couple of stocks, answering Tio Roll's question. IonQ, no, way too expensive. Amazon own it. It's ridiculous. It's gone berserk. Rocket Lab, that's still a good buy. I'm down 5% on that. I was down like 80 and I kept doubling and doubling. That's great. That will double in the next few weeks. Plug, yep, Plug is a 4x. I'm down just 5% now. I was down at 80% on Plug, kept buying. It's now, it's a 4x. So yes, it was better where I bought it at 350, but it's a 4x. So that's still good. Procter & Gamble, I don't know enough about it, to be honest with you. Rumble's rubbish. Funware, no. FFIE. I bought the Moon bag. I am down 73%. It's just a lottery ticket, though. If you want to buy it now, buy a few shares. You can buy it at a fraction of the price that I bought it. Why not? But, just remember, you prepare for it to go lost. Use it as a lottery ticket. You're going to expect to lose your money. Bitcoin, no, way too expensive. It's only worth 15,000. That's where I own it. Matic, no, I bought it for 23 cents. That's where I own it. It's the currency of the internet of paying for all the gas fees. I own more Polygon than I'll ever need. Not here on this account. It's in my Coinbase and Ethereum, in my Ledger account. I've got all the Polygon I'll ever use for my life, and I'll never be buying it again. I bought it at 20 cents or whatever it was. XRP, I bought this at 38. Again, never need to buy any more. It's got a $7 price target. You can buy XRP if you like. That's a good buy. But there you go. That answers Tia Roll's question. It was my first. So what can you expect? Mike is being serious. He actually has a video on his YouTube channel. Let's have a look. Go to channel. Here we go. Right. Here's Mike's very first. How many subscribers has he got? 15 subscribers. Right. We're going to sort this out then. Here we go. This is Mike. Hang on a minute. Let's make Mike famous. How do I make the audio? Oh, here we go.
Buddy, thanks. Well, just got off the Martyn Lucas show, the investor show, so I feel pretty important now. Thanks a lot, Martyn. You're my buddy. Thanks. Well, just got off the Martyn Lucas show, the investor show, so I feel pretty important now. Thanks a lot, Martyn. You're my buddy.
Thanks. Yes, you are. So what we're going to do, we're going to make Mike very famous now. We're going to make him famous, right? He's got 15 subscribers. Are you ready? I want every single person to subscribe to Mike. If he gets 100, he can go live on his account, right? We do this for all our members. Here we go. Mike, let's put it 3 times in the chat. Can everyone go and subscribe to Mike there, please? I'm going to come back in a minute and see how he gets on. I will come back to that in just a moment. Feeling like everything is up and getting harder to find the cheap stuff. Mike, what's your YouTube channel now? I've just given you the link in the chat. The link is in the chat. You are the best, Martyn. Paris, thank you so much indeed. R3, click on my name. Pulled 3,000 profit on Rivian today. Thanks, Martyn. You're very, very welcome. I certainly would sell it. I'm not selling it because I'm in a different situation. But if you want to make profit, then fine. Yeah, I saw Mike. All right. Hello, everybody from Peru. Welcome to Peru. We've got members in 46 countries around the world. 98% of our viewers are members. Let me see if we have Peru. Do we have Peru on our flags? No. We have nobody from Peru as a member. We have Chile, USA, UK, Australia, Turkey, Italy, Ireland, Portugal, Uruguay, Canada, Uganda, Lebanon, Norway, South Africa, Argentina, South Africa, Germany, Dominican Republic, Mexico, Denmark, Mauritius, Czech Republic, Lithuania, Romania, Morocco, Costa Rica, Bosnia, Herzegovina, Croatia, Israel, Netherlands, Rwanda, Palestine, Iran, Jamaica, Taiwan, South Korea, Ecuador, France, Russia, New Zealand, Georgia, Iceland, Hungary, India, Switzerland, Poland, and Belgium. We do not have a member from Peru. Become a member and you will fly the flag for your country and get many, many perks and benefits. I promise you, you'll say it's the best value investment you've ever made. That's how it was built, to give you the best value for any investment. It will never go up in price, but it will go up in value all the time. Here is the membership link. If you are on any device, it works other than an iPhone. And if you are on an iPhone, all you do is go into a desktop browser on your iPhone, a browser, whichever one, and then choose the desktop version. Okay? All right. Hello, Sandro, says Mike. To be fair, when Enphase dropped to 70 after hours, I doubted myself. Happy I stayed in, just like you, Niels. There was no doubt about it. The numbers were all there. Well, I must say you called it. Virgin Galactic really is squeezing, and 150 really was the bottom. Thank you, Jacob. Rotel Cheese. Hello, new viewer here. Loving the channel. Looks better than CNBC and Yahoo Finance. Well, let me tell you, Row Town Cheese, we have our very own software that we use. And if you look at this, it's called Alpha Spread. It's the most advanced algorithmic software in the world. You can look for any stock, give you the best review you've ever done, completely unbiased, completely honest, full valuations, full balance sheets, everything all in one place. And the company put all of my reviews at the bottom so you can see the inside trading and everything. There are my reviews. They go above Yahoo Finance, Bloomberg, CNBC, Fox Business, everybody. And not just because they're in order, is because some trolls will say, it's because they cherry pick the rest. They use all of my reviews because they're honest, real, unsponsored, and they are simply the facts for the numbers, as they are trying to grow the best algorithmic software in the world. And I am trying to grow the most honest, real YouTube channel in the world. And together, we're building a real army. So there you go. And I will give you a link for that. It's one of my membership perks. If you become a member, you will get a lifetime discount of this service, which gives you my membership for free. And that's just one of many things that you get as a member of mine. Is now the time to buy NEO? No, it's rubbish. I wouldn't buy it. I wouldn't buy NEO. Rubbish. Plug, not overbought. Load your bags. Plug is not overbought. I agree 100%. Delph 100%. But I'm not saying it because I own it at all. But I think that you are absolutely right. Yes, it is still overbought. Sorry. Oversold, and I'm still down 5%, but I'm not buying anymore because I bought plenty of it at $3. Robinhood is still a buy. Yes, it is. Good afternoon, sir. Did you expect a hood to drop down? I'd like to lower my position. No, not a chance at all. Not a chance at all. Robinhood is a 4 to 6x, 100%. I already put a video out about it a year ago. I put out lots of updates, the 4 to 6x. I explained why exactly, using the numbers, not the hype and the Jim Cramer rubbish, but the actual numbers, explained why it's a 4 to 6x. Kathy Wood is right. The numbers are there. You've just got to read them. It's on the homepage of my channel. Go and check it out. All my reviews are now in their own playlist at the top on the homepage. Members only videos, members only live streams, members only content. But you will see all these reviews here of all the stocks. We are covering every single stock. I am making a 45-minute, 50-minute video on every single stock. Look, Coca-Cola was 46 minutes long. A lot of detail, a lot of information, and I'm doing it for every single stock as requested by you, the member. Okay. Ray Castaneda, welcome to you. So harsh on my favorite stock, Palantir and Amazon. It might be harsh, but I don't care about the stock, Niels. I care about my viewers. I don't care about the stock. I care about my viewers. Palantir is too expensive. Amazon is too expensive. I'm not going to apologize for that. I'm always going to tell the truth. I'm not here to make friends. I'm here to build a family and always tell the truth. Rocket Lab ticking along nicely. Yes, great stock. Francesco Santos, $15. I am waiting to buy Palantir at $9. And that can happen in an instant. 24-hour trading on Robinhood at 3 in the morning. I always set $9 bids to buy Palantir at $9 at 3 a.m. in the morning. And one day I will get it. Renewable energy is trash. I wouldn't touch it. I don't agree with that. Roll 10 cheese. I think that's a very big mistake. My house in the UK runs itself on solar panels. Half of Europe does. I think you are wrong there, but you are entitled, of course, to your opinion. I would just respectfully disagree with you. And in fact, we are about to break another all-time high. We are now about to hit 100,001. Look at that, $100,000 of shares now, $100,000. We're at 65,838. We're about to hit $66,000 live on the show. Real money, my real money, all from $5,000. Okay, there it is. Okay, let's move along. Ray, thank you for the super chat. Baby video game controller sits in a... I'm reading out the comment. It was describing the images. That's my target as well. Very nice. Neil's is a good price. Yes, I hope we'll see it again. Otherwise, I'm ready anyway. Nice one, mate. Just sold Palantir. Congratulations. Please give us updates on SHOT and forecast. SHOT is a load of rubbish. I'm very, very sorry. I've done a full review on SHOT. I have I've had people going to the offices. I've been calling them. I've been sending messages to them. The patent doesn't hold up. The patent doesn't hold up. I've asked for information. They're not providing it. There's no celebration of their Luke Bryan event on their website or their X account. I wouldn't touch it. I'm not a gambler. I'm an investor. I can make money on real stocks. I cannot be buying a single product company. It doesn't make any sense. I'm sorry, but there it is. Is Archer still a buy? KP Singh, I've just done a full review on Archer for you. I've done a full review in my Alpha Spread reviews. I will update it. If you are a member, I will do another review for you. But here is my Archer review. If we scroll down here, here's my Archer review, a full 25-minute video about Archer. If you've not yet seen that, it's on the homepage of the channel. Go and check it out. If you want an updated review, I will do it for you. As a member, I will make you that video. Martin, is Enphase Energy a good price now or little? It's no, it's a very good price. What was it? Is it the best price? No, but it's still a very good price. Is Pfizer a buy? I'm still stiff from their meds. I don't know. I haven't fully reviewed it, so I don't know the answer. Please give us updates on SHOT. I just did. Cham, Wickerbuddy Cheap, says Cham. Neo, please, no, I wouldn't touch Neo. That's rubbish. I'd just rather buy Tesla. I'm up 6%. Congratulations to you. Any thoughts on Coinbase? Sensei on Sunday will give you the updates on Coinbase. I do not do Coinbase or any crypto. That's Sensei's job on Sunday. Frey may have reached the bottom 2 weeks ago. Evening all. I saw a great interview. Robinhood CEO on Bloomberg. Very interesting. Thank you. Archer, I just responded, KP. Do you think SHOT will reach $10 next week with the launch? No, I doubt if there'll even be a launch. I can't comment on a stock that is purely a gamble. I'm not a gambler. This is not the gambling show. Other YouTubers will make up stuff, tell you you're going to get rich. They want you to, make money out of you watching their videos. I don't do that. I'm not about that. I'm sorry. I cannot give any thoughts on that. Chris, good evening to Chris. Just subscribed. Mike, fantastic. Let's have a look. Mike was on 15 subscribers. Here we go. Did everyone do it? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mike is now on 26 subscribers. We more than doubled his account. Fantastic. Round of applause, Mike. Mike, and we'll do that for you. Periodically, we'll do that. Let me just give everybody the link again, and we're going to get Mike up to 100 subscribers. Not right now. We'll do it on another day, and we'll see if we can get him to 100. Fantastic. What's going on, matey? You made 250,000. Who made 250,000 said market? Louis Cottrell, I'm not sure I know what you mean. Please rephrase your question. Subscribe, Cham. Did it already. I commented on Mike's. Hey, Peru, it's Paddington Bear. Well, now we're going to post a ton of them. Mike, I subscribed. Bought 100 more Robinhood. Congratulations. Well done to you. Robinhood is a 4 to 6x. I just realized this is the best show I found. KP Singh. Let me just, I've run out of time to get through all the questions. Okay, here we go. I've got to jump the questions now and move on. This is what's about to happen. For those of you who just tuned in, first of all, here we go. Let's have some fun. I've got some announcements to make. You ready? Here we go. Oh, let's get ready to go. Right. We've got 90 watching. Only 50% of people are signed in to Google. So let's call it 90. So 45 people is the most you're ever going to get to like the video. Let's get 45. Our like rate is 99.5. However, some people can't like because they're not signed in. If you don't like my content, you'll never hear a YouTuber say this. Please down-like it. I don't need your subscription or need your likes. What I am trying to do, however, though, is create the best, most honest, most real life channel in the world. If you like my content, tap the like button. It will then suggest my content to you. If you don't like my content and you don't want to hear from me and you'd much rather hear a pump and dump channel, please do click the down like button and go and watch that. Because if you click the down like button, YouTube will not suggest my content to you anymore. So please tap the like, you'll get more of my content. Tap the down like if you don't want it. And that suits me fine. I don't mind what you do. We want the best, most honest channel on YouTube TV. 41 likes. Okay, we've got over 50%. Let's get a couple more likes and then we'll get out of here. I've got a big announcement to make and a Virgin Galactic squeeze party ready for you tonight. You're all invited. Everybody want to come to the party? Put yes in the chat. If you want to come to the Virgin Galactic squeeze party in person with me tonight, put yes in the chat right now. 2 more likes and we're done. In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We just want one more like. Are we going to get there? It is 45 likes. Fantastic. There we go. Couldn't be better than that. Let me come back to here and give you the announcements. Right, we are running out of time. We've got a lot to cover. Are you ready? So everybody wants to come. So we're having a Virgin Galactic squeeze party. It's starting now. It's starting to happen. We're going to $100, no doubt about it. Long term, not this year, not even next year, but we are going. I got 4,000 shares. I bought it at the bottom, like I said I would. I'm holding it at 157. I traded all the way down, made money, and now I'm holding 4,000 to $100. So here we go. If you want to come to the party, this is what we're doing. Right, there is the countdown to Christmas in my studio. For those of you who don't know, I was voted by Elton John as the world piano man. There's my TV studio behind me. This will be the Virgin Galactic colours.
J pow 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 is dovish like Bayard.
Love the super chat. The studio is all set behind me for the Virgin Galactic Christmas party tonight. We start the countdown to Christmas. If you want to join me for that, I'm going to give you the link right now for the Virgin Galactic countdown to Christmas party tonight. Every week we beat the record. We got 44 likes to get tonight. There it is. Everyone tap the like right now. Click that link. Let's see how many likes we've got already. We're up to 15 so far. You can request up to 650 songs, 14 voices in 7 different languages. All right, 15 likes. Everyone tap the like button and join me. This concert starts in your time zone, 68 minutes from now. We'll be live requests, live in my studio. Right, that's that done. Let me now come back to the stocks. Yes. Everyone's joining me. Mike, what is the record? It's 34 likes. 44 tonight. 34 likes is the record. Let's see what we do. Now then, the next thing we're going to do, we're going to change this video by magic. At the end of this video, the next stock that potentially is a stock for you to buy. There is a stock for you potentially to buy. At the end of this video, in the next 5 minutes, this live event will end. This live event will end and it will go directly to this next video. I've recorded a video put together as requested by you. Yes, I am at all-time high. 65,000, nearly 67,000. If anybody wants to phone in, the phone lines are open. Members, you can call in. You don't need Discord. You don't need a device, just your phone or a computer. Nothing clever. The phone line is open. If anybody wants to call in, as we've just broken $100,000 worth of shares for the very first time, from 5,000 to 100,000, you can see it right there. If you want to call in live to the show, you can. It's a big night on our show. Call on in. We're about to hit $66,000. With $100,000 worth of assets in our portfolio. We started with just 5,000 2.5 years ago. The phone lines are open. Right. At the end of this video, this live event, we're going directly straight away into the Unilever review. I think you're going to like this one. Here it is. It's pinned to the top. Here is the link. This could be a stock that is undervalued for you to buy. I do give it a buy rating. I looked at it this morning in great detail. This is the video. This goes live in a few minutes' time. It premieres live with all of you. I hope you'll all join me with the premiere. This premiere will take you directly to the music concert tonight. So you watch this first. You can all keep chatting, asking each other questions, discussing what you're doing with your stocks. It's going to be live chat. Everyone can be chatting live. And then at the end of this video, it will go directly to the concert tonight. So you won't miss anything, all right? So this live event will go straight into that video. That video will then go straight into the live concert tonight. Does that make sense? Everybody happy? Right, let me make sure it's everyone can chat. Yes, you can. And it's going to go directly into the music concert. There it is. Yep, that's all good. Right. Okay, here we go. Right, the phone line is open if anybody wants to call in. I'm going to tell you now, folks, the phone lines are always open to call in the show now. With this new service that we have, they are all you're all able to call in. Just call in whenever I invite you. Now the invitation is open. All right. How do you phone in? We've got 4 minutes to go. Go to martynlucas.com. Here is my website. If you want the free newsletter and you want to follow me on my social media so you know when I'm buying and selling before I buy and sell, go to the go to my YouTube, my website, and you see here live phone in. Click on live phone in just there. See it? Live phone in. And you can do it on your phone, your computer, device, anything you want. Click on phone in live to the show. And boom, put your name in on your phone. You don't need any software. It's just a browser and you can phone in live on the show. You can even do it on your phone, whatever. So if you want to be part of it, we've just hit a momentous moment on the channel. It's quite a big moment because we've just crossed for the very first time $100,000 worth of shares. And we've just broken $66,000 now. We're constantly going up, constantly beating Warren Buffett and constantly beating the market. Look at that. Look at that, folks. And I've not done any of that by buying Amazon, Apple, Google, or any of that stuff. And I haven't done it with any gambling on Binky Bonk or GameStop or AMC or any of that nonsense. Discord is working. We're just doing it this way, Niels, now. It's a much better way of doing it. It's a much better way of doing it. Everyone loves it. Yes, Sam. Anyone can call in. Absolutely right. As long as you're a member of the channel, and you are. 3 minutes until the bell. Yep, we're coming up to 2 minutes now. Now then. What we need to do now is go members only for the members only competition in a second. So customization, members only. So members can get their questions through to me. Here we go. Only members now can phone in. So we don't have any silly stuff going on. Okay, I've got a few comments here now. Oh yes, very, very important. Over on Discord, I've told you, you will all get people pretend to be me on Discord, inviting you to be a friend. I ban them all the time. They don't exist on the server but they get hold of your phone number, if you like. They get hold of your account and they can message you. Do not accept any friend requests from anyone claiming to be me. I only friend you when you become a YouTube member live on the show. You know it's me. There are over 100 pretending to be me. There are thousands doing it on Discord. So please do not accept a friend request from anyone that pretends to be me. I am the only one that's me, right? Live on the show. Here we go. 1 minute to go. 3, 2, 1. Smash the like button. Let's see if we can get 80 likes by the end of the show for a regular show. Virgin Galactic short squeeze has begun. And all of those who are trying to drive it down are all losing their money. They're all on StockTwits now. I know who they are. I know who they are on Reddit. They're all messaging me. They're all being angry. They're all being upset. Good luck to them. You made up stories the entire time. You tried to make everyone's life miserable, and now you're losing all your borrowed money because they've shorted the market on leverage and margin, and now they're going to go bankrupt. And I warned them, that's their own fault. I don't have any sympathy at all for people that try to make the world a miserable place. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The bell has gone on a Friday, a sell-off Friday, and yet we've got the markets going up like crazy. What does that tell you? It tells you the Santa rally has begun, and now things are going to get very, very interesting for the end of the year. Now remember, the rich get richer, the poor get poorer. If you are buying the stocks that are pumping now, you will lose your money and you will play straight into the hands of the super rich because they want you to buy because the stocks will go up, they'll trim off the top and you'll be left holding the bag. No doubt about it. And if you are a new investor starting in the market, I bet my bottom dollar, as we know, because we've done research, you've not read the balance sheet, and you think the best things to buy are always Apple, Amazon, and Google. These are the ones that get the money from the newbies. Okay? They're all overbought. They're all too expensive. Do not do it. Wait for a pullback. You will lose your money. This is not financial advice, but it's based upon 2.5 years of research and study of 10 to 12 hours every single day, answering every question from every troll, every bear, every bull, speaking to people on the ground at the companies. Do what you like. It's your money at the end of the day, but don't come in and start buying everything now because that's what people are doing. Otherwise, the market wouldn't be going up today, would it? But it is. And you don't want to be buying it now. You want to buy it when it goes down. Other than the ones that I have said are still on sale. Not everything is. Friday night and the markets are up. We are now at $66,000, $100,000 worth of assets. There it is. You can see it on the screen for the very first time. $100,000 worth of stock. It's a big day on the channel. Huge. Right. We're now going to go over. To the review. Is Jason Fallon and Wade Van Eisen in here? Jason Fallon, first of all. He is the one that asked me to do it. No, he's not. Is Wade Van Eisen in the chat? No, the two people that asked for it are not here. Oh well, it's still going to happen. I'll just let them know when I see them on the next show. So we're going to go there right now. This video will take you directly there. It's a recorded video I made earlier today. It's a full breakdown of whether you should buy Unilever. It looks a very, very good stock at a very, very good price, and I break down all the information why you should buy it. You want to watch the whole of this video. The chat will be live. You can comment in the chat down here. Oh, Jason's here. Jason, who asked me to do this, is here. Jason, here is your video. There is the live chat. There is the video. We're going to be live with Unilever, Jif. We're looking at Dove. All of these products we're going to review in a minute, and you can make an informed decision of whether it's right for you. So here, once again, is Unilever. This video will go live. At the end of it, it will go straight into the music concert. And we're hoping tonight to beat an all-time record. We're raising money for charity on our channel. Not tonight, we're not, but we're trying to get to 10,000 subscribers so we can. And the reason for 10,000 is YouTube turn on YouTube giving, so you can do fundraisers for free. I will do the concert for free, and whenever you tip for a song that I will play, it goes directly to your favorite charity, and our members can select charities to do that. It's a tax-deductible expense for you, and there's no credit card fees and YouTube fees. All you've got to do is subscribe to my music channel, and the Unilever presentation will go directly to the countdown to Christmas. It so begins tonight, okay? And hopefully we're going to have Mike's mum and Seth Houston's mum and dad. It's going to be a heck of a night. I'm hoping that will beat the 34 likes tonight. I've got a funny feeling we just might. All right? Okay. This is not financial votes. Oh, hang on. New subscriber. Hiya, Knowles. Jordan Allen, are we holding our positions into the weekend, day traders? I'm not selling any of my stocks. I am on the premise that there will be some FOMO leading to the week ahead and some good pre-market gains on Monday. I am not selling a single share. I am focused on earning money on YouTube, which is my sole income, to put all the money I earn. I'm not spending any money whatsoever in the market to bring my margin down. I don't want to sell a single stock. I want $100,000 worth of stocks, and what will happen is as I pay off more, the $100,000 of stock, as you can see on the screen, will equal the $100,000 balance. So I've got 65. So it's 65,000. Another 35 to go. I will match what I have. That's how it works. All right. So I'm going to keep earning money, and that's what I intend to do. All right. Anyway, there we go. That's the end of the show. It's now time to go into our world premiere. Let me do Day Trader of the Day. Here we go. Let's wrap it up now. Day Trader of the Day. Who's up? Who's down? So look at my overall portfolio. I am up 5.81. Up 5.81 on my main account. Give you a minute to get your scores on the doors. Portfolio still rising. 5.86. Welcome everybody on TikTok tonight. Let me just adjust that a little bit. If you want to join me for the concert tonight, it is on YouTube and YouTube alone. Up 4%. Up 1.26. Indie Bones, you can't be up 20%, 27%. You can't be up 20%. If you're on one stock, you could, but 5.48, Zach's 8. Excellent stuff. Indie Bones on margin 1.5. Yes, I think that's more like it. 5.45. Up $5,000. Very nice indeed. 5.12. Seth up 2%. 5.8. 0.62. Up 4.52. 5.56. All right, I'm at 5.82. So I win. I win. Fantastic. I'm up 5.82. So congratulations to me. Thank you very much, me. I'm very welcome. You're very welcome indeed. And tap the like button. Fantastic. There you go. Right. It's now time to get out of here. we're going to the world premiere. Come and join us for the Unilever. Be in the live chat, continue the conversation, learn about a great company. It's a strong buy from me. I think it's a good buy, so you can learn why I think that. And there it is. It's in the chat. This is where we're going to be. Right, this video will take you directly to there. Watch this video, be in the chat. This video then will take you directly to the live concert tonight. It's the Virgin Galactic Squeeze Party. Step into Christmas. We are counting down to Christmas. Fan-flipping-tastic. That's it, everybody. Thank you so much indeed. Let's roll the credits. Let's get out of here. See you all for the premiere. Shadoo-be-doo-be-doo-woo. Be-doo-be-doo-doo-doo-be-doo-woo. Shadoo-doo-doo-be-doo-be-doo-woo. All right, here we go. Subscribers, stars of our show: BK, David Seen, Sean, Noel Harness, Super Chats, Ray Castiander, and Jordan Allen. Thank you for your support to the show. Thanks for your Super Chats. I appreciate it. Everything goes into running the show. I've got some maintenance to do on the show, actually, so on the studio. So all of that is much appreciated. It'll go into the show. Thank you ever so much. Let me go to the end screen. Thank you ever so much, everybody on TikTok. The world premiere is about to begin in just a couple of seconds. This is it here. This is where we're going to be. It's just a few moments away. You can get into the chat and we'll have some fun. And that video will take you straight into the live event on my music channel. All right. Thank you, guys. Appreciate you very much. Now then, the next live show, other than my music concert, is on Sunday with Sensei. Sensei is live on the show. Go to the homepage on the channel. Look below. Upcoming live streams on Sunday. Join Sensei for a crypto build-up and setup for the week. That's it from me. See you back in the concert, and I'll be live in the chat with you. Live Q&A for Unilever. Until then, take care of your money, yourselves, your crypto, and each other. Happy Friday.